How to add a hyperlink on Microsoft PowerPoint. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add hyperlink or any kind of link on your Microsoft PowerPoint. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So I'm just going to open up a PowerPoint presentation right here. So what you want to do first is once you open this, let's say if I want to add a link for my profile, Facebook profile, I'm just gonna type in my Facebook link like this, and you are gonna select all of these words like this. Go ahead and click on insert, and from here you will see this link option. Click on it, and once you do so, here you will just have to paste your link address. So I'm just quickly gonna copy the link address from my Facebook profile. I'm just gonna open it first, and then from here I'm just gonna head over to my profile right here, and then once I get to my profile, all I'm gonna do is copy this link at the address bar, and then go ahead and open my PowerPoint, and I'm just gonna paste it right here. So once you paste your address link, click on OK, and it will be highlighted like this on the blue. So if you want to follow this link, you can just shift and then click, and it will open up your link right here, and it will show you your profile. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.